Introduction. Welcome to a creative and rewarding journey in guitar playing. This worksheet is designed to guide you in developing your own mini-song. 1. Find your musical inspiration. Immerse yourself in a range of songs you like to help spark your creativity. Pay attention to the elements that resonate with you, such as melodies, rhythms, etc. Use these musical inspirations as a foundation for your creative process. 2. Utilizing vocals for rhythmic development. Set aside your guitar for a moment and focus solely on humming. Let your imagination run wild as you hum. Feel free to bang your head, play air guitar, etc. And embody the feeling of jamming to your favorite tune. The goal here is to verbally improvise rhythms and melodies. Think of it as sketching out your musical ideas vocally. Identify a captivating rhythmic phrase. Keep humming different patterns and rhythms until you hit upon a phrase that resonates with you. Aim for simplicity. Your phrase should be concise, ideally spanning 1 to 2 measures. This humming exercise lays the groundwork for what will become the core of your mini-song. Record your initial idea. As soon as a particular humming phrase strikes a chord with you, record it immediately. Use a phone or any recording device to capture this raw, initial idea. Recording at this stage is crucial. It preserves the original essence of your idea, which can often get lost as you start to develop it further on the guitar. Ensure rhythmic consistency. While humming your phrase, simultaneously count out groups of 4 beats using your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This practice helps you ensure that your phrase fits neatly within the measure and maintains a coherent rhythmic structure. If the timing feels off, with the phrase starting or ending in odd areas, don't hesitate to explore other humming ideas. Translating vocal rhythms to guitar. Now that you've worked out your idea, it's time to bring your guitar into the mix. 1. Transitioning your rhythm to the guitar. With the rhythm you've hummed fresh in your mind, pick up your guitar and get ready to translate it to the strings. Start by playing the open E5 chord. This will allow you to focus 100% on the rhythm. 2. Applying vocal rhythm to the E5 chord. Focus primarily on your right hand technique and rhythm. Your goal here is to replicate the rhythm you vocalized, not necessarily to match the exact pitches. Play the E5 chord in a way that mirrors the rhythm of your humming. This step is about capturing the essence and groove of your vocalized idea. Incorporating your rhythmic phrase with drum beats. 1. Selecting the ideal drum beat. Explore a variety of drum beats online, through drum apps, etc. Choose a beat that complements the rhythm and feel of your guitar phrase. 2. Synchronizing with the drum beat. Play your guitar phrase along with the selected drum beat, focusing on tight synchronization. 3. If you struggle to match the drum beat with your phrase, consider looking for another drum beat that might be a better fit. Alternatively, create a new guitar phrase that aligns more naturally with the drum beat. The goal is to achieve harmony between your guitar rhythm and the drum beat. That wraps up our current session. In the next lesson, we'll embark on an exciting journey of enhancing the rhythm you've crafted by integrating a variety of fretted power chords into it. See you there.